Don't know. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time. It's a bad man thing. It's body, baby. VQs. Let's go.
VQs.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane.
Hey guys, I'm back again with another video. So this is the hair everyone's been asking me, where is this hair from? Where is that a wig? Is that your hair? Is that a clipping? I posted this on my YouTube story and I got loads of compliments, loads of comments. I wore this hair out to church. Everybody just want to know the tea. So I've been having this hair for more than 3 weeks now, so I just want to come back and give you a review that is based on how this hair has been for 3 weeks. This is not an instant review, this is the real tea. So let's just get right into it. So this hair is by Hergivenhair company. You guys already know I have reviewed hair for them a lot and over the years, and they have not disappointed. And so this hair, this time around they gave me something different from what I usually have. I usually have my hair that looks like 4C hair. So yeah, but this time around they sent this hair that is coily texture, and this is what the wig looks like. It's the lace size is 3x6, and it has security in form of band that you can use to secure your hair, and there's a little bit of lace at the back which I'm cutting out right now. The length of this hair is 14 inches, so it kind of look like natural hair texture, not too long, not too short. That's medium size that we all like or that we all have. So putting this hair on my head, this is what it looks like. Honestly, the finished work on this wig is really amazing. Just seeing it, I'm like, okay, let me just see. The texture is so soft and nice, and so this is what it looks like on my hair. Just testing it out the first time I received it. So yeah, I just want to quickly do an installation video so that I can go ahead and maybe do more tests on the hair and see what I can come up with. So yeah, I'm gonna use got2b glue to secure this hair. I'm not doing something dramatic like, you know, putting double layers and all that. I just want something that can just see how this hair is laid flat in the front, and you know, to tell you what I feel like. This is the first day. So yeah, after applying a little bit of got2b glue, and I allowed it to stay a little while for it to get tacky, and with the help of my blow dryer, blowing it on cold, and I tested it, and when it's tacky I just went ahead and just placed the wig on it. You guys know how to do this thing already, so this is not about how to install this hair, just to show you the quality of this hair. But you know, if I skip this part, some people will still say, why did you skip this part? And I must tell you, a lot of people don't know how to do this thing. It looks like it's common, it's all over YouTube. Everybody knows how to do it, everybody is showing it, but lots of people out there don't even know how to place their wig very well on their head. So yeah, that is why sometimes I just go over this method again for those that do not know. And yeah guys, if you are joining me for the very first time on this channel, if today is the first time, don't hesitate to click the subscribe button and be subscribed. So yeah, I've finished applying this on my head, and I use this elastic band that actually came with the hair. You know, it's an extra band that came with the hair in the pack. I use it to tie the front line down and allow it to dry a little. Like that, my hair will lay so flat in the front here. So now what I want to do is to spray in some water. I'm trying to see what this hair looks like when water is sprayed in. And honestly guys, when water touches this hair is another level. Like, it looks so gorgeous, like a wash and go kind of texture. And so I have this leave-in conditioner by Sunsilk that I like to apply on my curly hair. It gives it a lot of definition, a lot of curls. And guys, you can see from the place I have sprayed water that this hair is beginning to, you know, go so coily, and I really love it. Honestly, I wish this is the texture of my natural hair. If you feel me, please just like this video. Honestly, don't we want our hair to just be this texture? Like it's so nice, and you're not like fussy, and you're not coily. It's just something in between, which I really like. And the length of this hair, if I've not mentioned, is 14 inches, and which is really really nice. And yeah, so this is what I'm doing, just spraying in water and just combing through and trying to see what this is gonna look like. And yeah, so I'll come back and talk to you guys later. All right, so guys, this is the hair after I allowed it to dry a little bit. This is how it just, this is what happened. Like, this is, oh my god, I love this wig. It's so good. The kind of compliments I've gotten over the weeks on this hair, I have never ever gotten on any kind of hair. People, I have to convince people that this is not my hair. They're like, it's your hair. Like, okay. Some people are just like, okay, it's my hair. But some people I just have to like tell them, no, it's not my hair, because I'm someone that like to switch hairstyles, and I didn't want people to think, oh, your hair was so beautiful yesterday, what happened to you today? So I kind of kept wearing this wig every day because a lot of people thought that it was my hair. When I went to drop my kids in school, a lot of mothers were like, oh my god, your natural hair is beautiful. Like, oh, thank you, because I cannot go over and be explaining to every mother like, that would be a lot of wahala. So guys, this hair can be parted on any part. It has a very deep part on the in the middle there. And yeah, so I wanted to try something else, so I went and did a twist out. After about 2 weeks of rocking this hair, I went and did a twist out. And in doing that twist out, I first of all washed this hair. This is the first time I'm washing this hair after I received it, and it's 2 weeks after. So I make sure that I use my favorite shampoo, and which is Tresemme. I like Tresemme a lot, and so I use it to wash my hair. I also use the conditioner also, to apply on this hair, and also make sure that I comb it out and all that stuff that. And if you are washing your wigs, any kind of wig at all, make sure that you just follow the pattern I'm doing. Like that, you will not lose your hair, because when you wash it like you're washing your cloth or your towel or stuff, you are going to lose loads of hair, and your lace is going to be bowed before you know. So I'm just putting a little bit of shampoo on the lace, because I've used it, I've applied it with glue. I just want to get rid of the glue and make sure that this hair bounces back and become new again for a new installation. And so yeah, this is what I've been doing. I washed, I combed out, I got a few bits of shedding after washing this hair, which is not major. It's just a little bit of shedding here and there, which is expected, because when you wash your own natural hair, you also shed. So there is no cause for alarm. This is okay, this is acceptable. So yeah, so after washing this hair, I'm going to use a towel to wrap it up and allow it to soak up the excess water. And then after that, I place this wig on a mannequin hair, and then I try to saturate it with hair conditioner, comb it out a little bit, and leave-in conditioner, and I also applied mousse. And what I'm trying to do is to section this hair so that I can be able to twist it out in a uniform way, so that everything will come together. I'm applying serum oil also. And yeah, you can see after washing this hair, you can see this hair how popping the coils came out again. Like guys, this hair is everything. You guys need to check this hair out. And I'm gonna leave the link to this hair down in the description box, in the description box for you to see. This will be a nice Christmas hair, nice Thanksgiving hair, and all that good stuff. Nice Valentine's hair, nice birthday hair, whichever way. So guys, I just did the normal twisting on the hair, on the whole of the hair, and allowed it to dry. And after it's dry, I went ahead and placed it on my head so that I can see what it looks like when I unravel the twister. So yeah, I also went ahead and applied the wig on my head, but I skipped that part because we already done that in the beginning. So yeah, I'm trying to do a little bit of my edges. The lace on this hair is something else. Like it just melts into my skin like it's my own. Can you see that? Like, can you look at that? But you have to use like what is it called, like, I don't know, to just look very well before you know that this is a wig. This actually looks so nice on me. I really recommend this wig. I recommend this wig. This is like my best wig now, like for the fact that it looks like my natural hair, and for the fact that the lace melts into my skin, and for the fact that it's just the right amount of everything on this wig. So I really love it and I recommend it. So now guys, I'm going to go ahead and now and try to unravel the twists, then try to fluff it up and see what it looks like. I do not do the best twist ever. This twist is not the best you have seen, but guys, this is just a demonstration. If you want to do yours more in a more in like a tiny way, go ahead. But I just like this my big and I like it. So yeah, after I unraveled everything, this is what the hair looks like. And guys, it didn't disappoint. It's nice. It also looks like my natural hair twist out, I wish. So guys, this is all for this week. Do you like it in a natural state or do you like it in the twist out? Comment down below and let me know, and don't forget to check the link down in the description box for this week. And bye.
Like a hurricane, I'ma do it like nobody can, and I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane, yeah.